Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll tell you how often to change oil. Mercedes recommends servicing based on assist intervals. For the B180, oil and filter change every 15,000 km or 12 months, brake fluid every 2 years, cabin filter and air filter every 2 years or 30,000 km, spark plugs for petrol every 60,000 km, service of basic oil 250 euros or 350 euros every year. Service B includes additional checks and filter replacement 400 to 600 euros every year. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.